I'm Jennifer. What's your name?
What's your name, lady?
Rushman, Natalie Rushman.
Oh, well, thanks a lot. What's your name?
What's your name, man?
Scotty P, you know what I'm saying?
I'm David. What's your name?
Pablo Chacon.
Very good. And what's your name?
Hey, what's your name?
Helen.
I'm sorry, dear. What's your name?
What's your name?
Max.
It's not your fault. I shouldn't blame you. What's your name, man?
What's your name, anyway?
What's your name?
Annie.
And that's the point. What's your name again?
Or what's his name? The one that you fence with.
Oh, that's so great for you. What's his name?
This guy you're obsessed with. What's his name again?
That tall guy, what's his name?
What's his name?
Andre Bryant.
What's his name again?
Dr. Homer Wells.
It's a nice...
Mom.
What's his name?
Yeah. What's his name? What's her name? What's her name?
What's her name? Dana?
Dana.
What's his name?
This goes for you with your girlfriend too. What's her name?
What's his name?
Buffy. She's a girl.
Salvation. What's his name?
Who?
I know that. What's his name?
What's his name? How tall is he?
So who's this guy? What's his name?
Yes.
What's his name?
What's his name?
Magnus.
What's his name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
Her name is Molly.
What is her name?
I'm so happy for you. What's her name? Really? What's her name? What's her name?
What's her name?
Laura.
What's her name?
Are you gonna marry what's her name?
What's my name? Your name is Logan.
So what's my name?
What's my name? Say my name, bitch!
What's my name?
Yes.
What's my name?
Got a dog. What's its name?
What's his name? Ruby.